Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Explorer key fob battery. First, take a moment to identify your specific key fob model, as designs can vary slightly. Next, gather your essential tools, which usually include a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Finally, make sure you have the correct replacement battery on hand. For many Ford key fobs, this is a CR2032 coin cell battery. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or notch along the edge of your key fob casing. Insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot. Apply gentle, steady pressure and twist or pry carefully. The two halves of the key fob should begin to separate, revealing the internal components. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry the old battery out of its holder using your small tool. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Make sure they fit together perfectly, then press them firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely shut. Once reassembled, it's important to immediately test all the key fob's functions, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.